In this video, you'll learn how to send USDT from Binance to Coinbase. The process involves copying the deposit address from Coinbase, withdrawing the funds from Binance, and tracking the transaction to ensure successful completion. Begin by navigating to the Coinbase website or app. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, look for the assets or portfolio section on the main dashboard. This is where you can manage your cryptocurrencies. Next, locate and select USDT from the list of available assets. After selecting USDT, you will need to choose the correct network supported by Coinbase for deposits. This step is crucial, as using the wrong network can result in a permanent loss of your funds. Make sure to copy the deposit address carefully, ensuring that no characters are altered during this process. Additionally, confirm that deposits are enabled for the network you selected. After obtaining the deposit address, switch to the Binance platform, open the wallet section, then select Withdraw to initiate the transfer. In the withdrawal interface, choose USDT as the asset for withdrawal. Paste the Coinbase deposit address you copied earlier into the designated field. It is essential that you select the same network as the one you used on Coinbase to avoid any issues. Once you have pasted the address, enter the amount of USDT you wish to withdraw. Take a moment to review the associated fees before proceeding. Double check all the details to ensure accuracy. Confirming this information is important to avoid mistakes that could delay or complicate the transfer. Upon confirming the withdrawal, you may need to complete a security verification step, depending on your account settings. After completing this, you can track the transaction by using a blockchain explorer. Monitor the required confirmations until they are complete, which indicates that the transfer has been successful. Once confirmed, check your Coinbase balance to verify the deposit has arrived. It is advisable to save the transaction hash for your records. If there are any delays, do not hesitate to contact support for assistance. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.